Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ZoomInfo for Sales Intelligence, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the ZoomInfo website. Look for the Get Started button on the home page. Click on the button to initiate the sign-up process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Provide your email and click Continue. Next, fill out your personal information, including your name and phone number. Choose a secure password for your account. Once complete, click on Create Account. Check your email for a verification link from ZoomInfo. Open the email and click on the verification link. This will redirect you back to the ZoomInfo login page. Log in using your credentials. Upon logging in, you may be prompted to set up your profile. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your profile setup. Now navigate to the product tour to familiarize yourself with the features. Explore the dashboard to understand various metrics available. To install the ZoomInfo app, head to the Settings section. Look for the Integrations tab within the Settings. Select the integrations relevant to your sales tools, such as Salesforce or HubSpot. Click on Install next to the integration you want to add. Follow any specific prompts to allow permissions for integration. Once installed, return to the main dashboard. You can now start using ZoomInfo for Sales Intelligence. Search for companies or contacts directly from the dashboard. Utilize filters to refine your searches effectively. Access detailed profiles and insights on the leads you find. Make use of the Lists feature to organize your leads. Remember to regularly update your account information as needed. For any issues, refer to the support section on the website. You are now ready to leverage ZoomInfo for your sales intelligence efforts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.